Our next team is going to present on edgedVR. edgedVR is a virtual reality technology being deployed across businesses, also the education system.
Good afternoon, ladies, gentlemen, and distinguished guests. We are the team from edgedVR, and my name is Joe. This is Will, Josh, Lockie, and Harry. It's hard to imagine that 20 years ago, computers and phones weren't a part of education. In our modern world, we rely so heavily upon this technology and to finding new and innovative means of education. Today, we're going to explore the potential of VR and its applications in education.
edgedVR is an up-and-coming software company focused on selling VR solutions to educational institutions to provide an impactful learning experience. edgedVR creates atmospheric 360-degree virtual reality immersive experiences. They provide a more interactive and involving means of learning and leisure. The VR headsets allow customers to create, share, and view other creations more easily, as well as providing an interactive experience into physical areas that aren't accessible to users. In the world of VR, photos, links, videos, and more can be shared for a wide variety of educational benefits and activities. edgedVR enables individuals to view a wide range of different landscapes and locations, for example, looking at the Grand Canyon in geography.
So from what we understand about the business, Rosanna Cotino is having trouble gaining awareness for the company and its potential with virtual reality within schools. There are numerous issues that are part of the problem that need to be collectively addressed. The points that need to be addressed include what subjects virtual reality could be used within schools, how we can better introduce virtual reality headsets into schools, as well as how to promote its benefits to the education system or entertainment industry, as well as how the education system can harness the virtual reality technology.
Our thoughts on the issue and possible solutions. The enterprise and the local... There are a variety of possible solutions to help solve this business problem. The first solution that our team has brainstormed is to raise awareness about the uses of VR headsets in educations to teachers so that they can gather an understanding of what the benefits are of the product and how it can work. After interviewing a variety of teachers at our school, we received feedback that raising awareness on the product is vital for us to succeed.
Secondly, we've come up with the solution to set up a pilot for schools to see if edgedVR is actually beneficial to them and if it's positively impacting the educational system. So by setting up an incursion and by sending an edgedVR representative to schools, this will help staff gain awareness of the product and how it would be able to benefit the schools. The pilot will better inform teachers on how to use and set up the product so that it can be used in classes with minimal issues. The team believes that teaching the teachers on how to use the technology is extremely significant as it enables them with skills to teach students with the ultimate confidence.
From the interviews that we've conducted with a number of teachers at the school, the results suggested that teachers would have to go through a lot of training to be able to use VR effectively as an educational tool. We recognise that VR would be a completely new concept to many teachers and numerous schools, so adapting could take time and effort. Linking this technology to the curriculum could be challenging, and this is why we came up with a third possible solution. From the tests conducted shown here, we found numerous teachers were interested in the concept, meaning training could be a potential for them. By training short courses or simplifying VR menus, teachers would find it more straightforward and accessible. When too much information and complications are presented, teachers may become overwhelmed and want to refrain from using the technology. By interviewing teachers, we found few were stressed about training. Ms McGregor, Head of Teaching and Learning, commented only on costs and limitations for her concerns, with many comments on the potentials. Overall, educating teachers was only a potential issue, but could be avoided through either selective training or simplifying the software to be functional for all users.
Carefully considering the 3 best solutions that we came up with, solution 2 is the best option. This is because we believe that introducing a taste of what edgedVR is and to showcase how it would be useful to education is the best selling point for the product. It would show an immersive experience and it introduces brand new technology to education. And if we can convince schools that this product is useful, schools will be engaged. Ms. Shawcross and Ms. McGregor believe that the product has great potential in education and it is a great idea. If we sell it to 1 or 2 schools, we believe that there will be some sort of chain reaction and other schools will start to look at edgedVR. And they will start to implement their own product in their own schools if it does prove to be successful.
There are several different possible ways edgedVR could implement the solutions we presented today, including reaching out to people who organise teacher learning days, for example Ms. Shawcross, our assistant principal, or her equivalents in other schools, to talk about showing an example of their product on the day. This may have several positive effects, including explaining to the teachers the positives and negatives of the product, as well as raising their awareness. Another possibility to implement a solution would be to have a meeting with an individual teacher or to just talk to them about it. This may be more effective at getting one teacher more excited about the product than a large-scale event, though it would require a significant amount of manpower to present to as many teachers as in comparison to the original solution.
The enterprise in the local community program has been a fun and enlightening experience. As a group, we've learned the daunting process of starting a business and how much effort it takes to start a business. Personally, I have gained a lot of respect for entrepreneurs. We have learned lots of marketing skills such as the right types of questions to ask in surveys and how to properly organise and anticipate an interview. We would like to thank edgedVR as well as Greg, Mitch and Rog from 7mile Club for the opportunity to participate in this program. We're very happy to say that we're part of edgedVR and we can't wait to see what happens next for the company.
Boys, while you sit there for a second, I'm going to get Rosanna or Carla, or both of you, Carla and Rosanna, to come and respond to the boys on that presentation.
Do you want me to go first? Yeah, you go first. Hi. Well, first of all, thank you to the boys. You've done a great job and we've really enjoyed meeting up with you and the discussions we've had. Thanks to Greg and Mitchell for putting us into this program. I think it's a great opportunity and Mitchell's mentorship, I think, has served the boys well. What we found when we met with them a couple of weeks ago, the survey and the
yes, the understanding of what questions need to be asked were really smart questions and really well thought out and very helpful for our business.
Yeah, so a big part of what we do is actually go into schools and teach students, but what we're finding is that we're also learning a lot from students, so I think we've actually learned a lot from you guys today as well. Thank you.